Okay, let's talk about what I call my sheet protector cheat sheets. So I use sheet protectors all the time, all the time. I even use it in my own work because it corrals things and keeps them together. Okay, so here's my two uses for cheat sheets. I'm sorry, for sheet protectors. If your child is given anything during the course, of the semester or the school year that they refer to over and over and over again, it needs to stand out. It needs to have its place. So think like the periodic table for chemistry, or vocab words for Spanish, or, I don't know, the list of spelling words, whatever it is. So it should go in a cheat sheet so it is protected and it also stands out, and then put right into the binder. So for my college kids, this is where a syllabi goes. This is like where the rubric might go for their 2-month project. Most of the kids that I know who are in 10th grade always have this 6-week global history paper to write. It all goes in there. And that brings me to the other thing we use it for is projects. So if your child's working on a long-term project and they want to keep maybe notes in there, or flashcards that they've, or index cards, not flashcards, index cards and things like that, they can put everything in a sheet protector and put it in their binder so they always have the project that they're working on close at hand. I just love them because they corral things. So I even have kids who put all, like for a class, they'll put all their study guides in there, or they'll put all their quizzes in there. And sometimes that's how they store it after that particular, particular topic was covered. There's a million reasons. I'm going to tell you, if you buy sheet protectors, you will absolutely use them.